I'm fascinated by the study of persuasion. What makes a person say yes to one thing and not another? One well-known principle of persuasion is the principle of authority. In this video, I'll show you how to make it work for you and your customers.
Mark Rodgers for Dealernews magazine. Sales success in 60 seconds or less.
The principle of authority is this: if an expert offers their advice, we are inclined to follow it. In the dealership customer dynamic, you, the dealership professional, are the expert. I tell salespeople that, metaphorically, you should see yourself as taking the customer by the hand and with your flashlight, leading them through the darkness. Here's how you can use the principle of authority to help light the way. Leverage the language of expertise. Use words like recommend, suggest, advise. When you get to a critical point with your prospective buyer, say, here's what I recommend we do, or here's what I suggest. And because of the principle of authority, they will more than likely take your advice. Why? Because you're the expert. Add expert language to your repertoire and watch your sales and customer satisfaction soar. Now, go sell something, will you?